Spring has arrived. With the weather getting warmer, it might be a great time to embark on some annual spring cleaning. While housework may not be the most enjoyable chore, creating a tidier, healthier, and more organized living space is worth the effort. Here are some quick tips that can help you create a great spring cleaning plan. Dusting. When dusting, always start from the top of the room and work your way down. That way, you will be able to avoid dust falling on areas that have been previously cleaned. Don't forget to check your smoke detectors. Kitchens. When cleaning your kitchen, don't forget to pay attention to your appliances as well as counters and cabinets. You can even use this time to reorganize your cupboards as well. Bathrooms, bedrooms, and basements are all important areas to target during your spring cleaning routine. Checking for old clothes, expired medications, and outdated supplies you may not need anymore can create extra space in your home. These tips can help you get started with a great spring cleaning plan. Happy spring!